First of all, introduction to dental composites. Dental composites are three-dimensional combination of two or more dissimilar materials. The idea of joining these two or more dissimilar materials is to get the properties either superior or intermediate to the individual components of the dental composites. Dental composites are composed of two phases, a continuous phase and a dispersed phase. As I told you that a composite is a combination of two or more dissimilar materials. So one of them is a polymer matrix and the second one is a filler particle. So the polymer matrix, it acts as a continuous phase, whereas the filler particles, they act as a dispersed phase. Dental composites are aesthetic restorative materials, and since they do not require any lab work or any lab procedure to do the restoration, so that's why they are called as direct aesthetic restorative materials. Now let's talk about the composition of dental composites. Dental composites have four major components. Number one, the organic component. Number two, the inorganic component. Number three, the coupling agent. And number four, the initiator activator system. Beside these four major components, there are minor additions like the inhibitors and the color modifiers or opacifiers, which give the color and shades to the dental composites. First, let's talk about the organic component. Organic component is basically a monomer which polymerizes to form a polymer. And the most commonly used monomers are bis GMA, urethane dimethacrylate UDMA, and triethylene glycol dimethacrylate TEG-DMA. Well, the molecular weight of bis GMA and urethane dimethacrylate UDMA is quite high, and to reduce the viscosity into the practical limits, triethylene glycol dimethacrylate, which is a low molecular weight monomer, is added. And basically, it is added in a 50-50 ratio to reduce the viscosity of the high molecular weight monomers within the practical limits. Secondly, the inorganic component of dental composite. The inorganic components are basically the filler particles. The most commonly used filler particles are the quartz, silica, nanoclusters, etc. These filler particles, they give the physical and mechanical properties to dental composite. These filler particles, they are very much beneficial for dental composite because they help in reduction of the polymerization shrinkage. They reduce the coefficient of thermal expansion. They reduce the water absorption. They increase the wear resistance. They increase the viscosity. They increase the strength, hardness. Like all the mechanical properties, they are dependent upon the filler particles. One thing is very important here, that neither the organic component nor the inorganic component, they can give any property to dental composite unless and until they are combined with each other. They are bonded to each other. And for this reason, the coupling agent, which is the third major component of dental composite, is introduced. This silane coupling agent has two terminal groups. On one side, it combines with the organic component, and on the other side, the other terminal group, it combines with the inorganic component. So a chain is formed, a bond is formed from the organic component through the silane coupling agent up to the inorganic component. The fourth major component is initiator activator system. Well, keep this thing in mind that on the basis of curing, the dental composites are divided into three types: chemically cured dental composites, light cured dental composites, and dual cured dental composite. The chemical cured dental composites, also called as self cure or auto polymerizing dental composite, they have two pastes. One is initiator paste and the second one is the catalyst paste. The initiator paste has benzyl peroxide, whereas the catalyst paste, it has tertiary amine. The light cure composite is a single syringe system in which there is tertiary amine and a photoinitiator, which is camphorquinone. This camphorquinone has the ability to start the polymerization reaction on exposure with the blue light in the wavelength of 470 nanometers. The third type is dual cured dental composite, which has the ability to get polymerized by chemical means once the two pastes are mixed, and once they are placed inside the oral cavity with the help of blue light, the polymerization reaction may propagate.